After using CLIU for a while, you might see the need to create a custom module to satisfy the needs of your own project. To do that, go to Tools, CLIU, Module Builder. To start, say the module name, let's say my game, and the internal code, which will be MG, which are the initials for my game. Build prefab, and it is here on the CLIU modules folder. And now the script, we say command line module my game and build script. You can now close this window, open the prefab, and add the script we just built. And that's it. The module should be already working. Let's test it. Open CLIU, press M, and here it is, MG with all the other modules. If we say MG help, you can see that we already have some commands here. Let's say MG example, and it prints an example message. But let's say we want to create something new on this module. Let's close the play mode, open the script, let's add a explosion command. So private void explode. It needs a string array for it to work, and we will just say command line core dot print, and boom. I'm printing an error because it will be red and it will be an explosion, so that's it. Now we have to add this command here on the start method, commands.add explode and the name of the method, explode. The name of the command doesn't have to be the same name of the method. So let's try just like exp, and it will work just fine. Let's save the script, open Unity, wait for it to compile, press play. If we say mg exp, boom,